What's going on with your forecast here? Clouds and radar showing a little bit of cloud cover out there. In fact, there's a lot more than what satellites picking up. Oftentimes before sunrise, satellites up there in outer space have a hard time seeing some of those low clouds. There's a lot of cloud cover and a lot of moisture that we have sitting on top of us waiting to be tapped. A couple little spots of sprinkles are also possible here. I think radar is going to have a hard time seeing those because they're so light. A lot of it's even going to fall underneath the radar beam, but 72 degrees. This is not cold by any stretch. It is so mild out there that I think we're talking about record-setting lows this morning, and temperatures really don't even get close to average. We should be in the low 50s in the morning. We should be in the low 70s in the afternoon. We're going to be talking 70s in the morning, 80s in the afternoon. Forecast high of 84, not the 89 record-tying high we had yesterday, but still very warm, and we're still talking about gusty winds. Now, what happens with run one today? Run one, I think, plays out like this. Couple spots of some light rain, some drizzle, some sprinkles. Nothing that really looks that impressive until potentially this afternoon. And I say potentially because this shower activity could become thunderstorm activity if we get sunshine. Sunshine destabilizes our atmosphere. I do think we'll see some peaks of sunshine, but it's not a slam dunk forecast. I mean, these could very well just say showers and we don't have to worry about severe thunderstorms today. But if we get a lot more sunshine than what this computer is showing me, then there is potential that some of those storms do turn severe. We'll get a little bit of a lull overnight before we see a few more spotty showers tomorrow. That said, the severe risk today is low, 1 out of 5. Most showers and even the thunderstorms will be sub-severe, no problems, but there could be a few isolated 1 to 2 strong storms that could bring the threat of hail. Rainfall, I think, will be manageable. Most of us won't even get this, but some of us could pick up a couple 10-7 inch of rain. That's it. But looking beyond today, tomorrow a few spot showers in the morning, dry in the afternoon. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, there will be daily rounds of showers and thunderstorms and, unfortunately, more severe weather. Like I said, tomorrow's just going to be the tail end here, and we get ready for more of a chance, higher confidence of a chance of seeing stronger storms and showers as we get into Friday. You'll notice the 1 out of 5 risk becomes a 2 out of 5 risk in our northern counties here. Flash flood threat also there Saturday and again on Sunday. All of this color doesn't mean we expect flooding everywhere. It means it's possible anywhere. There will only be isolated pockets. The colors tell me that this isn't going to be widespread flooding, but we could see a couple pockets of street flooding here Saturday and Sunday with some of these heavier showers and storms. So today is just the beginning. Don't lose hope if you don't see rain or if we don't see thunderstorms today. Tomorrow, it's really the quietest day of the next 7. A few spotty showers in the morning. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in particular looking real active here with best coverage, highest confidence of showers and storms. Temperatures a little cooler, but we continue with this unsettled weather even into early next week. We'll fine-tune that timing of these rounds once we get within the high-resolution data 72 hours out, so those details will come. But KXAN Weather App, good resource to have as we gear up for severe weather season. Erica?
No doubt. Okay, thank you.